Alright guys, welcome back to the last video on the RM before we take it for a ride. In this video, it's going to be the first startup of it, so I'm pretty excited with that. So outside, I've got the bike leaning up on the fence over here. So it's ready to go, other than the engine oil, coolant and fuel we've got to put on it. And then, yeah, all we need to do is hopefully give it a couple kicks and it should fire. I also put a new spark plug in it too, one of the iridium ones that I was talking about. So hopefully it won't foul as much. So the fluids I'm running in this bike is Penrite 10W50 semi-synthetic. Just some antifreeze coolant, and this formerly TTS Power One castor oil 2-stroke oil. Obviously you mix that with petrol, and then I'll be running it at 40:1. So in this fuel container I've got 5 litres of 95 petrol. I'm running 40:1, so I need to mix 125 mils of 2-stroke oil into the container. For the oil capacity on these bikes, they have a measurement usually just under the fill cap, so 750 mils or 750 cc's of oil. had the bike running for a bit, we're just going to do a second heat cycle. So just going to let it idle away, and then just give it a few revs every now and then. But yeah, just idle it for about 10 minutes and then let it cool down to the touch. So you should be able to touch the top of the head on the motor. So we'll do that. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and follow the Instagram MotivatedNZ. I'll see you guys in the next one.